5 Easy Ways to Cut Your Household Expenses. Facebook, Twitter, Thailand. Are you shocked when seeing your household expenditures every month? The expenses seem to increase every month. If you are in this situation, try these 5 recommendations before your extra paid money will accumulate to a significant amount. 1. Recycle those junk letters. Each month, you will probably receive a dozen or more letters from direct mailing companies in your mailbox. Some of these letters are printed on one side only. Collect these letters and combine them into a writing pad. You can also use them to print draft documents. Besides saving money, you are also saving a lot of trees. 2. Install water saving kit in your toilet cistern. When flushing the toilet, the amount of water used is usually more than is required. By installing a water saving kit in the cistern, the amount of water saved can be as much as 3 gallons per month. 3. Use the fan. Whenever possible, use the fan. The air conditioner is a major contributor to your utility bill. By using the fan, not only are you saving on your utility bill, you are also building up your body's tolerance to heat. Your chances of getting heat exhaustion or heat stroke during the hot summer season are greatly reduced. 4. Do not throw away that old bar of soap yet. As you wash your hands with soap on a daily basis, the bar will become smaller and smaller until it is almost unusable. Instead of throwing it away, simply stick the old bar of soap onto the new one. Just make sure both of them are wet when sticking them together. 5. Cut the tube of toothpaste into half. When you can no longer squeeze out any toothpaste from the tube, just cut it in half. There is some more toothpaste left that can last you for a couple of days if you have a large family. If you live alone or with your spouse only, the extra toothpaste can last up to 5 days or even more. Start cultivating these useful habits today and make them a part of your daily life. You will be pleasantly pleased when you notice your household expense start to decline bit by bit as time goes on.